challenges we face today is that the customer is much more in the center, in charge, and this is what we have to respect and also answer to it. In the old times, we were very much product focused. Today, there's a huge need to shift to customer centricity, customer focus, not only because we're used to it from other suppliers like Amazon, but also there are a lot of fintechs out there challenging us. And that means we have to react. If there are suppliers out there who promise that you will have an insurance in 90 seconds and your claim settled in 3 minutes, you cannot say, don't have a clue how you get to me, contact an agent, and your claim settlement takes 6 months. I mean, those times are over, and we have to react to it and say, how do we best change in order to satisfy customer needs? I mean, one thing is very clear. In order to meet those challenges, you have to change the culture in the company significantly. It's not that easy to just say, oh, now we go from product to customer, and can you just shift your mindset? In the older times, when I started almost 9 years ago, it was really about the underwriters and claims officer ruling the world, if you may say so. Now it's much more about how can we jointly, not in a silo, look at the customer journey and then look at the main pain points and together find solutions so that we can meet customer needs. And that's also something I'm very passionate about, because it's not about singular siloed functions. It is about shifting the company to working together and finding solutions together. How can artificial intelligence help us? Artificial intelligence is in the end helping us because you can automate a lot of things, crunch a lot of data, have more customer-centric information, and then can also cater specific customer needs to your processes and what you want to do. Sounds pretty rational still, but it helps you a lot in order to cut down claims times, for instance. It's pretty clear that we can not deal with claims times that are longer than 3 minutes anymore, because that's the benchmark now. And Lemonade, the insurance that claims 3 minutes, just set up a world record with 3 seconds. So if that's what customers read and sense and see, and also see from other systems, I mean, it's pretty clear that we have to use also automation and artificial intelligence in order to get there. And there are many other examples where I believe we have to be much more customer-centric in terms of services, giving answers quicker, being clear what our products are about, our services are about, and people don't have the patience anymore to wait. They want to have instant information, instant recognition, and they want to be seen as a human, a person, and want to have personalized solutions as well. And there, artificial intelligence can help us quite a lot, because we don't have the amount of people taking care of all of that. We don't have the brain capacity, because you have to crunch a lot of data. And the combination of humans and machines is the big trick of the future. Are machines replacing humans? Yes, maybe in 100 years, but in the end, artificial intelligence is not that easy. I mean, to copy our brain fully is not an easy task. If you look at artificial intelligence today, I mean, it tackles certain areas or certain problems, questions you want to solve, but it will not be able to mimic the human entirely. And although I believe that all those rational things can be solved by a machine, especially emotions and getting in touch with people, understanding them. Also, if you have different cultural backgrounds, different understanding, it's very important still that you use human emotional connections, understand what people want, be empathetic. So that is nothing a machine can mimic that easily yet. So the combination of the machine strength, crunching a lot of data, being accessible 24/7, and then the human strength, empathy, emotions, getting in touch with people, I think that's something you have to do. The question is, how can machine help us humans? And the question for me is not, how can machines replace it?